Cap 26 here, just do tips and chairs and hobbies. And we got this drawer here with the face falling off. And I'll show you a little bit closer. There are the holes. We're going to put holes next to them and put the screws back in. And that's what we're going to do. So I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. We put the screws in there. There's one there, one there. And for a while that's going to hold. The screws actually need to be a little bit longer, but if you make them longer, they'll come out the front of the drawer. And you could probably shear them off and sand them down and nobody would notice, but that's the nature of this drawer. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We always have great videos. And please rate and give me the thumbs up.